Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and I'm so happy to have you here, and I'm super excited because as you can tell by the title, I am going to be trying out a new wig, and this is the second wig I own. I was gonna say something else, but never mind. So the first part of this video is going to be the unboxing of this wig. I haven't looked in here and I'm super excited because I've been waiting for so long to open this and try the wig out. What is going on? Anyways, this video is not sponsored, by the way. They did reach out to me and sent me this wig, but it's not sponsored. Anyways, this one is from Cosswigs, $59.59. That's not bad. And it's 100% heat resistant fiber synthetic hair up to, you can heat it up to 160 degrees, but no more than that because it can damage the wig. Well, let me open it first before I go more into detail. Okay, so the first thing I see is this little guy right here, just giving me some information on the wig, how to take care of it, and how to put it on, which I'm going to read in a bit because I'm not so good at putting wigs on. Then we have this cap. I don't know what I'm supposed to do this or when I'm supposed to put it on. Oh, no more waking up with frizzy hair. Keep your hairstyle looking fresh and amazing. Okay, I need this. It also comes with a cute pink wide tooth comb. I think for wigs, it's better if you brush it with one of these. And it also comes with, what's this? Oh, it's so you can style your hair in a bun or just like that. And I've never ever used this before, but I might try it out later. Then we have the wig cap. I will definitely need this. And then, ooh, some lashes. Oh my god, these are so pretty. They're very small from the inside and full from the outside. I am going to be using these. They look so pretty. I didn't even know that this website had eyelashes, but oh, nice. And then there's this guy over here. Oh, I think this is to test it out and see if I want this color, maybe? I don't know. Then we have the wig. Yeah, that's it. So this is a wig right here. I wanted to get this color just to see how it looks on me. It's like an ash blonde, I believe. I'm not going to put it on right now because I want to do my makeup first. But this is a lace front. I think that's how you say it. I don't even know. Long wavy synthetic lace front wig for $59. It's not so bad. Oh my god, and it feels super soft. And it comes with, I guess, 3 combs inside. This one in the middle, and then on the side, and then some adjustable straps right here. I'll leave the link to the website and the direct link to this wig in the description box below in case you guys are interested. And they do have a variety of colors of the same style. They have green, pink, mint blue, yellow, and a few others, so go to their website and check them out. So let me put her down and start on my makeup. So I'm going to start with my eyebrows, and again I'm going to use the Anastasia Dipbrow, and I used this in my previous video. I did both in Spanish and in English. I did an eyebrow tutorial using this, showing you guys exactly how I use it. A very easy and quick way to do your eyebrows with this. So if you guys want to see that, I will leave it in the description box below. Now I've been doing my eyebrows like this for the past like week and a half because I really love this. So quick, so easy to do, and I love it because it makes your eyebrows look so natural. Now I don't want to put anything heavy on my face because I've been getting tiny little bumps on my face, but I still want to put something, so I'm going to use this BB cream from L'Oreal. This is literally to cover up any redness. It has a little bit of green in there to transform universal shade to reduce the look of redness, which I love because you can still see my natural skin, and at first it does look a bit light on my face, but then it calms down a little bit. Since it's a BB cream, it's not gonna be full coverage, so it's not gonna cover up completely like all of the redness, but it helps it, you know, reduce it a little bit. This one's seriously my go-to BB cream. I'm also going to skip concealer. I just want to look as natural as I can, so I'm just going to set my face using this Rimmel pressed powder. And for bronzer, I'm going to use this Contour Diaries from Pure Cosmetics. I'm going to mix this one and the one on the top. And I'm using the Anastasia A19 brush to contour or bronze up my whole face. This is always a way I do my makeup when I don't feel like doing my makeup. but I feel like I have to because I don't want to go out with my bare face. But this is something quick and easy, and it looks very natural, very cute. For blush, I'm going to get this new palette from LA Girl Blush Palette, and I'm going to go into this orangey peachy shade right here. It is a bit shimmery, but I love the shade, and because it's shimmery, I am going to skip highlight. And I have used this before, and it gives you a very cute glow. I'm going to start on the apples of the cheek. Is that what it's called? I don't know. But it's so cute and peachy, and it gives you a very subtle glow. And I'm using the e.l.f. Cosmetics blush brush to apply this, and you can see very cute glow. And when I said I'm going to skip the highlight, I just meant right here. I'm not going to put highlight right there. I'm going to put some on my forehead, on my chin, the tip of my nose, and my Cupid's bow. Before moving on to my eyeshadow, I want to set my whole face. I'm going to use this Anastasia Dewy Set. Really makes your makeup last all day without budging, without creasing, anything. And it gives you a very cute glow. Smells so good! Look how cute these eyelashes are. I love that they are so long and dramatic over here. I also did a wing eyeliner. First, I'm going to prime my eyelids with the LA Girl concealer. I'm going to put it all over my eyelid and blend it up close to my eyebrows. I'm going to get as close to my eyebrows with the sponge as I can, but not so close because I don't want to mess my eyebrows up. Then I'm going to grab the Real Techniques brush, and I'm not going to get more concealer. I'm just going to get some that's already on my eyelid and just blend it all the way close to my eyebrows. Then I'm going to set that with the same Rimmel pressed powder that I used to set my whole face. And you can use any fluffy brush like this one to set it. The eyeshadow part is very simple except for the wing part. That part gets really tricky. But I'm going to go into the Urban Decay Born to Run. Ouch, I just hit myself. This is their Born to Run eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to go into this light brown shade, and this is a Coastal Scents brush. It's from their Majestic brush set. And I'm going to use this brush to apply it on my crease and blend it up, or blend it out all the way up. Well, not all the way up, but like above my crease. The eyeshadows from this palette are very, very easy to blend out. It's just very quick. You apply it, they're buildable, and just blend it out, and bam, you're done. Then I'm going to grab this small brush. This one came in a Rimmel eyeshadow palette. And with this one, I'm going to grab this dark brown eyeshadow and apply it right on the outer corner right there. I'm just going to tap it there and then blend it out a little bit into the crease, into the center of my eyelid. Now I'm going to grab this side of the brush, and I'm going to grab some of this gold shimmery eyeshadow and apply that on my eyelid. It's gorgeous and very pigmented. And I'm just going to leave it there, and using this side of the brush again, I'm just going to clean it on the back of my hand. And I'm going to blend out the edges. And for the wing, I'm going to use this liquid eyeliner from the Balm Cosmetics. It's one of my favorite. The little applicator is very flexible, which makes it easy to use. And I'm going to apply these eyelashes that came in the box, and these don't have a name, but they're really, really gorgeous. Well, first I'm going to apply the orange shade. It's from the same palette. I'm going to use this tiny brush again and apply that all over my lower lash line. Look how pigmented this eyeshadow is. And I've used this palette so many times. Seriously worth every penny. Okay, now time to put the wig on. Like I said, I'm not good at this. I need more practice, but let me get the cap. Okay, I think that's good. I don't know how to do this.
Wait, this feels like so small.
There we go. I hope it's not too hard. Okay, oh my god. Ah, it looks so silly. My goal here is not to make this look like 100% natural, but I just want to make it look nice, you know? Okay, let me cut this part first. Okay, I'm actually going to hide my ears under the cap. I don't know if the part has, like, it goes in the middle, does it? I don't know. I know I'm look very silly right now, but I want to brush through the wig first before I apply some heat. Okay, so this is the best I can do. I just got part of the hair up here with some bobby pins, and I mean, I feel like it doesn't look that bad, except like over here it's not like glued down or anything. I love how it feels very soft, and I don't know if you guys noticed, but on the top it had like some weird bumps all the way down to here, but I just straightened that part a little bit and it helped a lot. So you can straighten these, just don't apply a lot of heat. And it's so long. This makes me miss my long hair so much. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Oh, my lips. I'm going to put one of my favorite lipsticks. This is the e.l.f. Cosmetics Modern Metals. Okay, that is it for today's video. I still feel a bit silly because I don't wear wigs often, and I don't know how many times I've said that before, but it's just, it feels so weird. I wish I knew. Well, I mean, I know there are like thousands of videos, people showing you how to apply the wig, like the correct way. Anyways, please leave your thoughts in the comments down below. I hope you guys liked the makeup look. Give me a big thumbs up if you liked this video, and if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification button so you won't miss any of my videos. I do upload in English and in Spanish every week. For the shout outs, I have a special shout out today. It goes to an old high school friend. Hold on. Hello? Okay. Edith Arenales, thank you so much, girl, for your love and your support and your lovely comment. Mwah. I love you so much. If you want a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications, and let me know in the comments below that you want a shout out. And if you want, let me know where you're from. Also, if you're new, let me know, and I'll give you a shout out in my next video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!